I am Shyam Joshi. She is my wife, Deepika Joshi. In the month of January, I came here for a just checkup of my both eyes, and I met with Dr. Prasant Singh. He's a very nice doctor. After that, I decided to, because I have cataract in my both the eyes, I was not feeling comfortable in my day-to-day routines. So I came here and I get operated my both the eyes, and I am very happy that they did a fabulous job for my eye surgery, and I am really very happy with the hospital, with the Dr. Pramod Kumar is really superb. His anesthetist is also very good, and I don't find any problem here. The staff is very cooperative, and I'm really very thankful to the totally Zamindar Hospital and the whole team who is working here and serving the people. Thank you very much.